Hi, I'm Sandra Corsilia. About a year and a half ago, I went through cancer treatment. I went through radiation as well as chemotherapy and lost my hair. And that turned out to be a very traumatic event. We were in the chemo room one time, and a lady came in, and she had gorgeous hair. And I thought, how in the world did she not lose her hair? And we found out that, in fact, it was a wig, but it was a human hair wig. And she came in again with a second wig. That did it. At that point in time, I was not doing well. I was very, very sick. And I came in, and it was over the Christmas holiday, and Nazi absolutely took the extra time that was needed to work with me. I absolutely did not know what I wanted. I really had no energy to deal with it. We came up with the wig that was going to work best for me. It was ordered, and within 2 weeks I had it. I just felt like a new person. I felt like I rejoined the world again. My son was getting married, and it was going to be 3 months after I got the wig. I went to the wedding. No one knew that I had anything wrong with me. The pictures came out great. It was only just 3 days ago now that I stopped wearing my wig, and I am now wearing my own hair. I would recommend a Nazi to anyone who was in need of any type of a cranial prosthesis.